when I speak to a client for the first time, I give them an overview of the process, what they can expect, what we will do for them initially. If they have an existing claim, if they are just filing the claim, we will give them guidance. There is a role that the client has to play in any attorney-client relationship. Your client has to be engaged. They have to want to help themselves to some degree. They have to meet you partway. And our job is to help them get to where they want to be by providing that information, by understanding procedurally how their case should run. But the client has to be engaged, and we encourage that. We encourage them to speak to their doctors. We give them information to help them talk to their doctors about this process and about how best to treat in this system. You know, this isn't, especially when it comes to the medical care, this is not private health insurance. This is not independent health, Blue Cross. This is a legal system, and this is a mandated system of health care for a particular group. It is not necessarily the best system. And if you don't know your way to navigate through it, you're going to become frustrated. I'm sure it's difficult for the doctors that practice in this profession. I certainly do understand, to some extent, the caution over use of opiate medications, given the difficulties that people are having with those medications in terms of addiction and abuse. We all see it on the news. In many cases, though, the compensation board, the insurance companies at issue, have used that to perhaps deny or reduce care in cases where it isn't warranted, where the people are appropriately being prescribed medications. Part of our role is to make that case to the board and to get those things approved where we can.